Memuan me thoughts medisit aku pue enne tidak pasa ai kiri so me ai wa reti got rera river ngeri anaf ngeri a river cha urusat ponorantong a koromun fagara non wherever Jesus Christ we e povera fare dai Ngang, even mingai. I deserve nothing good. Pogitan tipis mira nom ngang. Pogitan tipis mira beri. Pogitan tipis me control my life. Naro barawan nom. Memorai se wasirek Christ. Memorai se warik Christ. Ngang cian ferufan. Ngang it's a non fair neberian Ferufan. Ferufan it's a treat me the way he wanted to. Very ngeri barawe. Every thought mosawan marabaraban Ferufan. Naran mochan ngeri. Even for a very long time I spent all my life running and keep running. Yeah, I run. Most of the time, Ferufan, Babasawan, Radeberi, Raosukusugai, Radiafu. They put me in places that I was born not to be in there, but because of the choices I make. I hurt people. People are hurt by me, and because of the choices, I go where I thought that was the reason and purpose. But there is that one time, Romans chapter 10, verse 9, when I confess, nobody will proclaim it, but Jesus Christ, yes, I want. With my mouth and believe it from my heart. There is that one time I was kneel down on my knee and I recognize it, even touched by the Spirit of God right there. That one day, in that one place, that night, I felt the presence of God. And rewind back to the beginning of this video. Wakaran wewe yusile, I will live or another day give so, and even understand the word that I just said in the beginning of this video. See, I felt it in my heart. I know what it means to say thank you because I know what it means. I felt it. I felt the love of God has touched my life and redeemed me and gave me a new purpose. None other than Jesus Christ. See, grace comes from God. None other than Jesus Christ. He has done something that I don't deserve by sending His own Son to die in my place. I now understand that Jesus doesn't deserve, but what He deserves, it's what I should receive, because I deserve judgment, because I'm a sinful person and I fall short, and because of my sin I am dead, and because of God's love me, because of God's grace, He sent His Son to die for my place, and He died for my place. In Jesus' death, resurrection from the death, He has given me a new life in Him alone. So wherever you are right now, Jesus has a purpose and He loves you and He wanted to reach out for you and pick you up. Marai made it the gospel of Jesus Christ. Salvation comes through grace, not Christ Jesus, not unto. See, we are saved by the grace of God. Jesus is the only way.